herbal spinach pancakes. All right, let's get into this quick, easy, and delicious recipe right here. This is also a new menu item alert. If you do not live in Richmond and you cannot taste the goods from me, this recipe is for you. I hope you enjoy. You're going to need a handful of spinach, 5 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 tablespoons of parsley, 2 to 3 tablespoons of basil. I use lightly dried. You're going to need 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of gluten-free baking powder, and then you're going to season with onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, oregano, sea salt, and pepper. You're going to add in 1 egg and 1 cup of that good old water. To get the perfect thick consistency, you might need to add in a little bit more spinach and about 1/4 cup of rolled oats. Next, we're going to go ahead and preheat our pan to medium high. We're going to add in that good old Irish butter. This is the consistency you're looking for. And then you're going to go ahead and cook them bad boys, and they're going to come out looking nice and delish like this, okay? I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.